Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the daily quests to get the Gardener seed pack, and I will be unboxing my first Gardener seed pack ever. So go to guide and go to the daily quest section. I need to do one more day to get the Gardener seed pack, which is today. So I will need to harvest 25 apples and 20 corns left to do. So here I'm just going to harvest some corn. Hopefully there's enough space in my... Oh, I'm like harvesting something else. Okay, there we go. Then I'll do the apples next. There we go. Now I can claim my price. Go back to the guide section, select claim, and then go to your inventory and let's see what I got. Please let it be good. Oh my god, there's no way this was my first try. Wow. Hello? Okay, so, oh my god, I'm excited because I thought that was going to be so hard to get, but I got it on my first try. I got the urchin plant, and it is a divine plant. So yeah, that is it pretty much. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.